we go. Oop, dipping now. Yeah. Okay. So the bossing is down there. There. That's the bossing playing there. This is our excavator. Excavator. Hi. So here. Doing some technical ratchets there. This one. There. Come along. Storage. Is this your first job?
Today.
Yeah? Oh, okay. You've been working hard.
Sorry?
Yeah? Okay, there, the winch. We're winching down the excavator. Okay. So he got the remote control and it's just going to winch it down. I think it's over. Just release the pressure here so we can remove the chain. There you go. Okay, so let's help him remove this chain. Okay, got it. Sorry. So yeah.
That's one thing she won't do.
Yeah. Okay. There you go. It's a bit bright. Bear with my bossing excited. He have a lot of things to do with that excavator. So there. Yahoo! Yes. So it means we have a lot of things to do. Not only you, it's also for me. Chaining things down, dragging things down. So there we go. So it took how long it took you to repair this?
Well, next Monday,
Yeah.
today's Friday, so next Monday will be 6 weeks, but it was ready last Monday, so it was ready after 5 weeks.
Oh, okay. So
Except-
it's 6 weeks.
Except,
Yes. Okay, the truck is going back now into the original position and he'll be ready to go to have another job. So this is not his first job because it's already 9 o'clock. So yeah, quite a busy business. Affordable towing. So yeah, it's truly affordable. Okay, ding ding for now. Yeah, so are you satisfied? Did you know how much it?
no idea how much it cost. They haven't had the bill yet, made up the bill, which is concerning. You know, they told me last Monday it's ready to go. And I went in on Thursday to pay the bill. They said we don't know what the bill is, we haven't done it yet. So, yeah.
Update next time for the.
Enjoy. Have fun.
Thank you. See ya. So now we're going to inspect what they removed from there.
All that shit.
Well, what kind of shit is that?
That's the air conditioning. Well, that's the dryer from the air conditioning. These are the air conditioning hoses.
Okay.
And this is the
Filter.
no, this is the that's a
Radiator?
coil. That's a heating coil. Well, we don't need heaters in the tropics.
Okay.
They took it out so that because that's in front of the cooling coil.
Yeah.
And if you want to clean the
Yeah.
cooling coil, you have to take this out. So most people just take it out and they blank it off. So there's no heater in it anymore. But you can always put it back in.
Oh, okay. So what's really the main thing that you let
it's
them do?
These hoses, they replaced these hoses
Yeah.
and because it was leaking somewhere. Now, they're not high pressure hoses, you can tell that because look, they've got bloody just clamps on them, you know. But anyway,
So
yes, that's pretty.
final. Don't say that. I put this on YouTube.
Okay. Now let's see if the air conditioning works.
So, oh, there's a sunny glass there. Is that yours? Oh, might be from
Let's
the
go.
worker.
Let's go. Oh, they're bloody.
Graded.
So they've been laying in here, flopping around for a long time.
Yeah. Okay. Final test.
Contact.
Contact. Did they also did the mileage? Or
Well, I'll take that to.
I can feel it's cooling up.
Well, see, when we don't open those because
It's bugging.
no, because well, that's open for here. This
Ah.
one's open for here. But if you open them all,
I can
there's
see
not much
everywhere.
flow out of any one. So it's,
Yeah. Yeah, I reckon it's cold. But how long it will last?
oh, it's been. They did it last Friday. It's Friday now.
Yeah.
They gassed it last Friday.
Yeah.
Left over last weekend. On Monday, they said it was perfect. And he said that the temperature in the camp gets down to 5 degrees.
5 degrees.
So went with the door shut.
Oh, okay. So are you happy with that?
Yeah, what's that there?
Feel.
Oh, it's just some sort of a decal or a plant.
Yeah. So there's still a token here for me. $2.
What is it? $2.
$2.
Well, it's yours, right? You found it.
I can buy
Find
coffee.
it, Ski.
Coffee, $1 each for us.
No, you can buy a packet of lollies.
Oh yeah, and chili solis. Yeah. So
Alright.
how you reckon?
Well, I don't know. Well, the aircon's working good. If it's been done a week ago, that's all right.
Okay, you can shut that door so you can
Can I
figure
do that?
figure out how cold it is inside.
Might freeze.
I can. It's not going yet. Maybe you forgot how to drive. See, it's going backward. You're dragging the blade right there. I need to inform. The blade. That's the trouble when you're not driving it. For how many weeks you forgot all these things. So yeah. So final ding ding. Shout out everyone. See you on the next video.